Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up LinkedIn for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar simply search for LinkedIn. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Next to LinkedIn you should see an install button. Hit the install button. If you've already installed LinkedIn on your device, you can simply skip this step and head over straight to the app drawer, search for LinkedIn in the search bar, and then tap on LinkedIn. After you've opened LinkedIn, you can either continue with Google or sign in with your email. For now, we're going to be tapping on sign in with email. This is assuming that you already have a LinkedIn account. LinkedIn will simply sign you in if you're logged into your Google account on your device and you have created a LinkedIn account. If not, then you can simply head over to the profile icon, hit settings, sign out of the LinkedIn account that you tried to sign in of, that Google automatically signed you in of, and then here you can simply head back over to the landing page and then hit join now to join LinkedIn. Here you must enter your email or phone number, hit agree and join, or you can continue with your Google account if you have another Google account linked on your device, and then follow the on-screen instructions to create your LinkedIn account and join LinkedIn. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.